Hello everyone, I'm Aratrika Bhaumik and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court and then cover High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Acclaimed academician Professor Dr. Mohan Gopal made arguments before the Supreme Court today, challenging the constitutional validity of the Constitution 103rd Amendment, which introduced reservation for economically weaker sections in education and public employment. Addressing a constitution bench comprising Chief Justice of India UU Lalit, Justices Dinesh Maheshwari, S. Ravinder Bhatt, Bela M. Trivedi and J.B. Pardiwala, Dr. Gopal argued that the EWS quota inverted the concept of reservation as a tool of representation for the disadvantaged groups and converts it into a scheme for financial upliftment. As the EWS quota excludes socially and educationally backward classes and confines the benefits only to the forward classes, it results in violation of principles of equality and social justice and amounts to infringing the basic structure of the Constitution. The Supreme Court of India today issued notice in a plea seeking directions against Army College of Medical Science for non-payment of stipend to MBBS students undergoing compulsory one-year internship in the Army Base Hospital. While issuing notice, a bench comprising Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Hema Kohli asked ASG Bala Subramaniam to look into the issue. Mr. Bala, there are students who have completed their MBBS from the Army College of Medical Sciences and they do not get any stipend, the bench remarked today. The Supreme Court bench comprising Chief Justice of India UU Lalit and Justice S. Ravinder Bhatt today dismissed a PIL challenging the draft notification published by the Central Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change demarcating over 55 square kilometer area as Western Ghats ecologically sensitive area. The plea had been filed by a Kerala-based NGO alleging that the impugn notification dated October 3, 2018 violated the right to life and livelihood of the farmers guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court of India today directed the Union government to pay ex gratia payment of Rs 10 lakhs to a man who claimed that he was deputed to Pakistan for a covert mission where he was arrested and kept imprisonment for 14 years. The matter was heard by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India UU Lalit and Justice S. Ravinder Bhatt. The Supreme Court of India today issued notice and sought response from the Tamil Nadu government and the Dravidar Kazhagam on a plea seeking removal of atheistic inscriptions at the statue of the Periyar erected all over the state of Tamil Nadu. A bench comprising Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul and A.S. Oka issued notice on the petition which contended that the inscriptions hurt the belief and the sentiments of the petitioner as well as the public at large. The plea before the Supreme Court challenged the judgment delivered by the High Court of Madras in September 2019 dismissing his petition by holding that the petitioner's right under Article 19 to express his views on religion are equivalent with the rights of the respondent, the Dravidar Kazhagam, to disagree with the views. The Supreme Court of India today refused to entertain a plea challenging the non-inclusion of reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes communities in the process of appointment of district judges in pursuant to an advertisement issued by the High Court of Jharkhand in March this year. The petition claims that the exclusion of reservation violates Jharkhand's state reservation policy and the constitutional guarantee under Article 16, Clause 4. Apart from this, it is also in derogation of a resolution passed by the High Court vouching to implement reservation in the Jharkhand Superior Judicial Service. A bench comprising Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Hema Kohli granted liberty to the petitioner to file a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution before the Jharkhand High Court. Considering that the process of appointment as per the concerned notification is underway, Justice Chandrachud asked the petitioner to approach the High Court with respect to future appointments. The Supreme Court has observed that lodging juveniles in adult prisons amounts to deprivation of their personal liberty. Once a child is caught in the web of adult criminal justice system, it is difficult for the child to get out of it unscathed. The bench comprising Justices Dinesh Maheshwari and J.B. Pardewala observed while considering a writ petition filed by a murder accused undergoing life imprisonment seeking appropriate directions to the respondent state of Uttar Pradesh to verify the exact age of the convict as on the date of the commission of the offence. According to the convict, on the date of the commission of the offence, he was only a juvenile aged 15 years. The court directed that he be subjected to the ossification test at the Civil Hospital of Allahabad or any other latest medical age determination test. The Supreme Court of India has observed that the right to contest an election is not a fundamental right but only a right conferred by a statute. An individual cannot claim that he has a right to contest election and the said stipulation violates his fundamental right so as to file his nomination without any proposer as is required under the Act. The bench comprising Justices Hemant Gupta and Sudhanshu Dhulia observed while dismissing a special leave petition filed by Vishwanath Pratap Singh. The court also imposed a ₹1 lakh fine on Singh. The Bombay High Court today summoned the collector of the Nandurbar district over high number of child and maternal deaths in the district due to malnutrition and lack of adequate medical facilities. Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice M.S. Karnik were hearing a batch of PILs filed in 2007 related to the death of several children, pregnant women and lactating mothers due to malnutrition in the tribal areas of the state. We require the collector of Nandubar to remain personally present before the court on September 23rd, the court stated. A criminal quashing petition has reached the Andhra Pradesh High Court requiring it to examine whether a transgender woman can file a complaint for dowry harassment under Section 498A of the IPC. The petition contends that a plain reading of Section 498A makes it clear that the complaint with allegations under this section should be made by a woman and hence a complaint under this provision by a transgender complainant is not sustainable in law. The petition seeks to quash a criminal complaint registered against the petitioner by a transgender woman claiming to be his wife. Taking cognizance of this particular matter, a single bench directed a stay of all proceedings in the pending criminal complaint on the file of additional Municipal Magistrate Court for a period of 8 weeks. The Punjab and Haryana Court has granted bail to Kalyani Singh, who was the daughter of Himachal Pradesh High Court Judge Justice Sabina in connection with the 2015 Sippy Sidhu murder case. The bail has been granted by the bench of Justice Sureshwar Thakur. Sukhmanpreet Singh Sidhu alias Sippy Sidhu was a national level shooter and lawyer who was shot dead by unknown assailants at around 9 p.m. in September 2015 in the Sector 27 Park at Chandigarh. The probe in the matter was transferred to the CBI in compliance with an order of the Home Secretary UT Administration Chandigarh in the year 2016. In connection with the appeal seeking restoration of alleged temples in Delhi's Qutub Minar complex, a Delhi court has reserved order in the intervention application filed by one Kunwar Mahendra Dhwaj Prasad Singh seeking right over the territories running between the river Yamuna and Ganga from Agra to Meerut, Aligarh, Bulandeshwar and Gurgaon. Additional District Judge Dinesh Kumar will be passing the order on Saturday, that is September 17th at 4 p.m. Chief Justice Dipankar Datta of the Bombay High Court has recused from hearing a public interest litigation praying for the process of appointment of judges at the High Court to be expedited. The PIL filed by Dr. Sharmila Ghuge, Professor of Law at the Mumbai University, also prays that the retired High Court judges be appointed as ad hoc judges till the process of fulfilling the sanctioned strength of 94 regular judges is completed. Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Madhav Jamdar directed that the petition be placed before a bench of which Chief Justice Datta is not a member. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. If you like our content, please support us by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you tomorrow.